Hey friends, we are back with Skills 5, Lesson 10, and we are going to start with our warm-up just like we always do. The only thing different this time is, just like I said a couple lessons ago, we are adding the last vowel sound. Okay, so it is and the motion that you're putting with that is you're going to put your arms above your head with your hands above your head. It kind of makes like a U shape with your arms. Okay? I'm going to say a sound, and you have to do the motion and say the sound, okay? I. Eh. Ah. It's your new one. Hands above your head. Ah. Ah. Eh. Hands above your head. New one. Ah. I. New one. Yep. Ah. Ah. Eh. Ah. I. Ah. Okay, now just like we always do, I want you to do the hand motion, and I want your child to tell you the sound and do the hand motion with it. So you can pause here and resume when you're ready. Excuse me. Moving on to our review of sounds. Just like we've been doing, you're going to point to a random sound. Your child is going to tell you the sound that it makes, and then they are going to write it on their paper, on a piece of paper or a piece of construction paper. Okay, so pause here and resume when you're ready. Same thing for here. Point to a random sound. They will tell you the sound, and then they will write it on their paper. And this one as well. These are the last few sounds that we've learned, probably all from last week, I think. Pause here and resume when you're ready. And this is the sound that we were working with yesterday. That is an X, and it says X. Say that. X. Like box. Okay, and I want you to write that sound a few times. So pause and resume when you're ready. Okay, here is our new sound. It makes the same sound as a C, but it is called a K, and it makes the K sound. Okay, so say cup, kite, car, king, card. All of those words start with my K sound. But pay attention because all of them do not start with the letter K. Okay? I want you to pay special close attention to the words that end with the K sound. Most of them will end with a CK. You have to put those two sounds together, okay? The C and the K. So say back, sick, yuck, book, luck. Okay, so say this word. I'm going to repeat. I'm going to say one word, and then you're going to repeat after me. Kevin and Carly like carrots. Say that with me all together. Kevin and Carly like carrots. The kids won't eat cake, and they never crave cookies. But do those kids go crazy for carrots? Okay, so what I'm going to have you do here is I want you to pause and then go over these sentences with your child, and I want them to be able to tell you which words start with the k sound. So pause and resume when you're ready. Okay, and here is how we draw the picture of the K for the k sound. You make a straight line from the top line to the bottom line, and then you pick up your pencil. You start at the dotted line over here to the side, and you make a little slant line to your straight line. And then you make a slant line back the other direction. Okay? This is kind of a tricky letter to write, and you'll just need to practice it, okay? Okay, so down here at the bottom, we're going to sound out the word yak. Yak. Okay, that's a type of animal, if you didn't know. Okay, so we are going to sound out these words and then write the word underneath the picture that it matches. Okay, so the first one is wig. So that's wig on. So wig on. Kid. Wig on kid. Okay, so then you will write those three words right here. And then you'll sound these out and write it under the correct picture. The last thing we have to do is, of course, chaining. Here are your words, and this is going to complete your lesson. So pause this, and then when you're done chaining, you're good to go. All right, have a wonderful evening. Thanks. Bye.